In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set FF controls in Bluestacks 5. If you want smooth keyboard and mouse gameplay in Free Fire, this walkthrough covers a quick default setup and a more customizable option, so you can choose what fits you best. Let's start with the easiest route. Launch Bluestacks 5, then open Free Fire. On the right side of the Bluestacks window, click the keyboard icon and make sure Game Controls is turned on. This switch needs to be enabled for any key mapping to work. Now click the Game Controls icon again, choose the default Free Fire controls, and hit Apply. That loads a preset layout designed for Free Fire, with movement, aiming, and shooting already mapped. You're ready to play right away, and this is a great baseline because it's balanced and consistent. Jump into a match and test a few moves to confirm everything feels responsive. If you prefer to tweak things, here's how to customize the layout manually. With Free Fire open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A or click the keyboard icon and select Advanced Editor. You'll see the mapping tools. Set the basics first so muscle memory is simple and reliable. Use W, A, S, and D to move, left click to shoot, and right click to aim. Assign F1 as your shooting mode toggle, space to jump, C to crouch, Z to go prone, R to reload, the number keys 1 and 2 to switch weapons, and G to throw a grenade. Keep the actions you use most on easy to reach keys so you can react fast under pressure. Next, enable shooting mode. Add the shooting mode control, place it directly over the on-screen fire button, and assign it to F1. This lets you lock the mouse for precise aim and fire when you need it, then toggle it off to navigate menus. When everything looks good, click Save, confirm with the checkmark, exit the editor, and restart Free Fire to apply the changes cleanly. If something feels off, here are quick fixes. If controls aren't responding, check that game controls are turned on using the keyboard icon. If your mouse isn't locking for aim, press F1 to toggle shooting mode. If movement or aiming feels sluggish, increase phase FPS and Bluestacks settings so the game runs more smoothly. A few final tips to keep things consistent. Try the default controls first before customizing. Always press F1 before a match to lock your mouse. Keep your layout simple for better aim, and aim for 60 FPS or higher for a fluid experience. Follow these steps and your Free Fire controls in Bluestacks 5 will feel natural, responsive, and ready for ranked play.